Cryptocom Visa Card Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. The Cryptocom Visa Card is one of the most popular crypto debit cards, but most people get confused about the fees, rewards, and value it actually offers. Here's the surprising truth. The card has multiple tiers, from a free option up to premium levels that require staking Crow tokens, and each comes with different benefits and costs. At the base level, there is no monthly or annual fee, but rewards are lower, typically 1% back in Crow. As you move up the tiers, staking larger amounts of Crow unlocks higher cashback rates, from 2% up to 8%, as well as perks like Netflix or Spotify rebates, airport lounge access, and higher ATM withdrawal limits. Transaction fees are minimal for card purchases, but foreign ATM withdrawals may have limits or small charges depending on your tier. Cryptocom doesn't charge extra for converting crypto at the point of sale. The conversion is included, which makes spending convenient. However, the real cost comes if you unstake Crow early, as this can incur penalties or delays. Most people overlook that the card's value is maximized when you fully leverage the staking tier you're eligible for. For example, the Ruby Steel or higher tier cards give you instant cashback in Crow that can grow if the token appreciates. Using the card for daily spending, while carefully managing your staked Crow, lets you earn significant rewards without traditional banking fees. In conclusion, the Cryptocom Visa card is ideal for anyone looking to combine everyday spending with crypto rewards. Understanding the tier system, staking requirements, and where small fees apply ensures you can make the most of your card. When used smartly, it's more than just a payment method. It's a tool to grow your crypto portfolio while enjoying practical benefits.